Why ethical sourcing matters for sustainable logistics. Have you ever thought about where the products you use every day come from? The journey of these items is often complex, and ethical sourcing plays a vital role in that journey. So, why does ethical sourcing matter for sustainable logistics? Let's break it down. Ethical sourcing ensures that materials and products are obtained in ways that respect labor rights and promote environmental care. This approach is essential for creating sustainable logistics systems. It influences how logistics operations function and their overall resilience. At its core, ethical sourcing means that every step in the supply chain, from raw material extraction to final delivery, follows standards that prevent exploitation and environmental harm. For logistics, this means having clear visibility over suppliers and their practices. This helps avoid risks like child labor, unfair wages, and pollution. One major benefit of ethical sourcing is regulatory compliance and risk reduction. When suppliers meet labor laws and environmental regulations, logistics providers can avoid legal issues and protect their reputations. Another key aspect is supply chain transparency. Ethical sourcing requires traceability, allowing logistics managers to monitor and verify the origin of goods. This transparency supports accountability and helps identify unethical practices early on. Environmental sustainability is also a significant factor. By sourcing from suppliers who minimize their environmental impact, logistics operations can align with green practices. This contributes to the long-term availability of resources and reduces carbon footprints. Social responsibility is another critical element. Ethical sourcing ensures fair treatment and safe conditions for workers throughout the supply chain. This supports social equity and community well-being, which is increasingly important to consumers and stakeholders. Furthermore, ethical sourcing can enhance brand reputation and consumer trust. Logistics companies that prioritize ethical sourcing help their clients build stronger brand loyalty by meeting consumer expectations for transparency and responsibility. Operational resilience and growth are also benefits of ethical sourcing. By building a stable supply chain, logistics operations can reduce disruptions caused by unethical supplier practices. This stability supports long-term business continuity and expansion. Practically, logistics managers can implement ethical sourcing by developing supplier codes of conduct, conducting audits, and collaborating with suppliers to improve standards. They can also use technology for real-time tracking and data transparency to maintain oversight of sourcing practices. In essence, ethical sourcing is a foundational element of sustainable logistics. It aligns procurement and supply chain activities with environmental, social, and economic goals. This alignment mitigates risks, supports compliance, and meets the expectations of modern consumers and regulators.